We are going to work on the exercise 7C. This is the episode 3 on it. Till now, we have completed up to question number 9. And in this episode 3, we are going to start from the question number 10. Okay. So this is pure mathematics 1. And this is ASA levels mathematics paper 1. We are doing the solutions of the paper 1 course book. We are solving the course book, and the book we are using, the book we are following is this book. Okay, this is the book we are following. Okay, the credit goes to that. Okay, so question number 10 coming up on your screen. Here we have a curve, and the curve says that the y, this is question number 10. The curve is given, y is equals to x raised to power 5 minus 8x cubed and plus 16x. So this is the equation of the curve given. A curve has an equation, y equals to x raised to power 5 minus 8x cubed plus 16x. The normal at the point, so we have a normal, and that normal is at the point, 4, 1, 9, and the name of this point is P, and the tangent, and we have a tangent which is at the point minus 1, minus 9. Okay, and they meet at the R. So we have to find out the coordinates of the R. This is the question. Okay, listen carefully to the question. A curve has an equation, y is equals to x raised to power 5 minus 8x cubed plus 16x. The normal at the point P, which is 1, 9, and the tangent at the point Q, which is minus 1, minus 9, intersect at the point R. Find the coordinates of R. So this is the basic question they are asking us. So what we will do, first of all, I'm going to derivate it. So y will be, we can find directly dy by dx. So dy by the dx will be equals to, this will become 5x raised to power 4 minus 8 into 3 into x raised to power 2 plus 16. So the dy by the dx, that will become 5x raised to power 4 minus 24x squared plus 16. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to find the coordinate of the normal, which is at the point P, whose coordinates are 1, 9. So at x equals to, we have 1. So the dy by the dx will be equals to 5 into 1 raised to power 4 minus 24 into 1 square plus 16. And its answer will be 5 plus 16, that is 21, and minus 24. So 21 minus 24, it will be minus 3. So the gradient of the normal will be, it will be 1 by 3. Reciprocal of this, and you change the sign. That's the gradient of the normal. So then I will find the equation of the normal. So equation of the normal, for the equation of the normal, y minus y1 equals to m bracket x minus x1. So y minus 9 equals to, the gradient is 1 by 3 into x minus 1. So this will be 3y minus 27 is equals to x minus 1. So 3y is equals to x. This will become plus 26. So this is 3y is equals to x plus 26. This is the equation of the normal. Then we will find the equation of the tangent at the point minus 1, minus 9. The tangent is at the point Q, and its point is minus 1, minus 9. Okay. So at x equals to at x equals to minus 1, the value of the dy by the dx will become, uh, it will be 5 into minus 1 raised to power 4 minus 24 into minus 1 square plus 16. So this will be something like, it will be 5, it will be minus 24 plus, and this will be minus 3 again. So this is the gradient of the tangent. This is the gradient of tangent. So cosine of the tangent will be, the cosine of the tangent will be y minus y1 equals to m bracket x minus x1. So y minus, it will become plus 9 minus 3 into x minus minus plus 1. So it will become y is equals to minus 3x minus 3 minus 9. So this will be y equals to minus 3x minus 12. So this is the cosine of the tangent, and this is the cosine of the tangent, and this is the cosine of the normal. So we want to find out the tangent and the normal intersects at the point R. So we will find that the coordinates of that point. So how you can find that? You can solve them simultaneously. This is the cosine of the normal. This is the cosine of the tangent. So just solve them simultaneously. So let's try them. Okay, so this is, just put the value of this y here in this equation. So that will be 3 into the y value, which is minus 3x minus 12, and equals to x plus 26. So this will be minus 9x minus 36 equals to x plus 26. Bring this here, so it will become minus 10x. Take it to the other side. So it will become 2 and 5 and 1, 6, 62. So x will be equals to minus 62 by the 10, and the x will be equal to minus 6.2. Now we will find the value of the y. The value of the y will be minus 3 into minus 6.2, and what is that equation? Minus 12. Okay. So I put this value here. You can put it here also. So it will be minus minus plus 3 to the 6. 3 6 are 18 minus 12. So it will be 6.6. So I think the points of the coordinates of the point R are, the x value is minus 6.2. The y value, the R value will be minus 6.2 comma 6.6. So let me check if the answers are right. Okay, so we think that the x value is minus 6.2 and the y value is 6.6. So let's check. The book says the answer is minus 6.2 and the 6.6. The answer is correct. So this is how we can solve question number 10. You see, a cosine of the curve is given. They told us that the normal at the point 1, 9 and the tangent at the point minus 1, minus 9. They intersect each other at the point R. So we have to find out the coordinates of the point R. So very simple. We derivated it. Then we found the cosine of the normal. Then we found the cosine of the tangent. And then we solved them simultaneously to find out the point of intersection of those 2 points. So the R, its coordinates are minus 6.2, 6.6. The answer is correct. I think that you understand how this is done. So we are done with the question number 10. So we are moving to the next one. The next question coming up is question number 11. So let me erase this first of all. Okay, so we are going for the question number 10. We are done with the question number 10. Now we are going for the question number 11. Sorry. Okay, so question number 11. It says that a curve is given to us. Question number 11. A curve is given. Y is equals to 2 bracket under root x minus 1 whole cube then plus 2. Okay. The normal at the point 4 comma 4, then they are talking about the normal at 4 comma 4, and the normal at the point, then they talk about another normal at the point at the point 9 comma 18 intersect at the R. Find the coordinates of the R. So they intersect at R. So we have to find out the coordinates of the point R, and so, so first of all I'm going to derivate, and so I will take that equation and I will derivate it. So y is equals to 2 into under root x minus 1 whole cube plus 2. So the dy by the dx will be equal to this 2, the 3 will come on the side, the power will decrease by 1, and then I will take the derivative of this base. This base is under root x, okay? Under root x derivative will be the 1 by 2 will come on the side, then the x power will decrease by 1, that will become minus 1 by 2 minus 0, and plus 2 derivative is 0. Okay, so dy by the dx will be equals to, this becomes 2 and 2 cancel, so you are left with 3. So this will be 3 bracket under root x minus 1 and its square. Its power is negative, so I will take this downstairs. So this will become like this. And this is how you find the derivative of this thing. Okay, once I know, then I will find out the equation of the normal at the point 4 comma 4. So at the point at x equals to 4, the gradient will become dy by the dx, its value 3 into 4 under root minus 1 divided by the under root 4 and its square here. So this thing will become, you see, dy by the dx, that will be equals to 3. This is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, its square is also 1. So, and under root 4 is 2, so this is basically 3 by 2. And then the gradient of normal will be minus 2 by 3. The equation of the normal will be y minus y1 equals to m bracket x minus x1. So y minus, what is y1? That is 4 equals to, gradient is minus 2 by 3 x minus 4. Take this, you can say 3y minus 12 is equals to minus 2x plus 8. Now, the equation of the normal will become, this minus 12 will go to the other side, so it will become 3y is equals to minus 2x plus 12 plus 8, and it will become plus 20. So this is the equation of the normal at the point 4 comma 4. Then I will find the equation of the normal at the point 9 comma 18. So what we will do, at x equals to 9, the x value here is 9. So in this formula, where is that formula? Dy by dx. So I will put those values here. Dy by dx will become 3 and bracket under root 9 minus 1 its square divided by the under root 9. So the dy by the dx will be equals to, this is 3 and 3 will be cancelled. So 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 square is 4. So the gradient of normal will be equals to 1 by 4, and you change its sign. We put a negative sign with it, okay? So the gradient of the normal at the point 9, 18 is minus 1 by 4, okay? So now what we will do, we will find the equation of the normal at the point 9, 18, and then we will solve them simultaneously. Okay, now we have to find the equation of the normal at the point 9, 18. So equation of the normal. Okay, so I am going y minus y1 equals to m into the x minus x1. So y minus y1 is 18 equals to the m is minus 1 by 4 into x minus 9. This 4 will come here, so you can say 4y minus 8, 32, and 8 1 4 ones are 4 4 and 3 7 equals to minus x plus 9. So 4y will be equals to minus x. It will add there plus 81. Okay. So this is the equation of that second normal. So I hope everything is going good, because a lot of calculation is involved. Now we will find the point of intersection of these two normals, okay? So the point of intersection, I want to find out, we can get the value of x out of here, so that is 81 minus 4y. So I'll put that value here, okay? So 3y minus 2 into 81 minus 4y plus 20, okay? So this will become 3y equals to minus 162 plus 8y plus 20. This will come here, it will become minus 5y equals to, and so it will become minus 142. Minus minus cancel, so y will be equals to 142 divided by 5. So y will be equal to 5 2s are 10, 5 8s are 40, and 0.4. 28.4. The value of the y is, let me check, 28.4. It says 28.4. Let me see if the answer is yes, 28.4 is the right answer. Then we will have to find out the value of the x. So I will put this y value into this x, okay? This equation. X is equals to 81 minus 81 minus 4y. Y is 28.4. So this will become 81. Let me use the, I can use calculator. Let me get a calculator. So this will become, this is 81 minus 4 multiply 28.4, and that is equals to 32.6. The x value is minus 32.6. So you get minus 32.6. So the point R, its coordinates are minus 32.6, comma, the y value is 28.4. Okay. So then we have another part of this question, but let's. So now we know the coordinates of the point, the 3 points, okay? The point where they intersected, both the normals intersected, that is the point R, and its coordinates are minus 32.6 and 28.4. Then we have the third part of this question. There they say, find the area of the triangle PQR. They want me to find out the area of the triangle PQR. So just, I hope you have noted it down, but you can later watch the video. So this is the point P, this is the Q, and that's the R. And we have to find out the area of this, So let me erase this. So this is the question number 11, and its last third part. In that part, they say the point P. Question number 11. We are doing question number 11, and its third part. We have to find out the area of the triangle PQR. Okay. So the point P is 4, 4, and the point Q is 9, 18, and the point R we just calculated there, minus 32.6, 28.4. So we have to find out. Okay. So if you draw this, and I'm not going to make it according to the scale, I'm just going to represent it. So the point P is somewhere here. This is the point P, which is 4, 4. The point Q is here somewhere, which is 9, 18. And the point, let me bring it here a little down. Okay. And the point R is here somewhere. Okay. The point R, which is minus 32.6, 28.4. Okay. So we have to find out the area of this triangle. Okay. So they want us to find the area of this triangle. So what we will do, we will see very easy method. You know the 3 coordinates, so we can find the area very easily. But the method I am going to use is this. So what we do, okay. So you can you see this green dots which I just plotted? Green is not that visible. So I have plotted there these dots. Okay. So what I will do, can you see this now? I will find out the area of this rectangle. From this area of this rectangle, I will subtract these 3 right angle triangles. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to find out the area of this rectangle. Let me call it A1. That is length into width. And this is equals, what is the length? This point, its x is 9. This point, its x is minus 32.6. So what's the gap between them? It is like 32.6 plus 9. It is 41.6. So the length is 41.6. And what is this width? This y is 4. And this point, its y is the point. This is 28.4. So from 4 to 28.4, this is 24.4. So this is 24.4. So we will multiply them. We're going to use a calculator. So 41.6. Okay. 9 and 32. 41.6 multiply 24.4, and that will give you 101. 1015. So this is 1015.04. Okay. So the area of this whole rectangle is this much. Now I will find the area of this. Let me call it A1. Let me call it A2, and let me call this thing A3. Okay. So A2 is already there. So let me call it A4. Okay. So first of all, let me find out the A2. A2 is a right angle triangle. The area is 1 by 2 into base into height. 1 by 2. Let me say its base is this. The base is the whole thing. That is 41.6. That is 41.6. And the height is, this point, its y is 18. This point, its y is 28.4. So 28.4 minus 18, and that is 10.4. So this height is 10.4. So when you multiply them, you get their area. And so on, I can use the calculator. 1 divided by 2 multiply 41.6 multiply 10.4. And this is 211.12. 211.12. So then I will find the area of area 3, which is this right angle triangle. So the formula is same, 1 by 2 into the base into the height. And its base, this x is 9, this x here is 9, this x is 4. So this thing is 5, basically the base is 5. And its y is 4, the y of this is 18, so the difference between them is of 14. So we can find the area of this A3. So it will be 7 into 5, that's 35. Okay. Then I will find the area of this fourth A4. This right angle triangle. The formula is still the same, 1 by 2 into base into height. And its x is 4, its x is 32.6 minus 30. So what's the difference between them? That's 36.6, okay? So it will be 1 by 2 into 36.6. And the height of this thing is from the y is 4, here the y is 28.4. So it's something like 24.4. Yeah, 24.4. So the area of this thing will be, let me do the calculation. So it's 1 divided by 2 multiply 36.6 multiply 24.4 equals to, and that's 446.52. 446.52. Okay. Now you want to find out the area of that triangle PQR. So if you want to find the area of the triangle PQR, what we have to do will be from the area of this rectangle. So the area of triangle PQR is equals to area of this rectangle minus the area of that triangle minus the area of this triangle minus the. So from the area of the rectangle, this whole rectangle, subtract the area of this triangle, and this triangle. The area of the whole rectangle is 1015.404, I mean, minus area 2 is 211.12, area 3 is 35, minus, then the next area 4 is 446.52, 446.52. So this is how you can find the area of this. Let me do the calculation. It's 1015.04 minus 211.12 minus 35 minus 446.52. So your answer is 322.4. My answer is 322.4. Let's check. This is the area of the triangle PQR. Let me check. They say the area of the triangle will be 317.2. Our answer is 320. I we made some kind of mistake, I think. Let me recheck the calculations. Uh, the point is 4 comma 4. Yeah, P point. The Q point is 9 comma 18, and the point R is minus 32.6 and 28.4. Okay, so we first of all found the whole length. 9 minus minus, so 9 plus 32.6, so it will be 41.6. That answer is right. And from this x, this y is 4, this y is 28.4. So 28.4 minus 4, that's 24.4. Okay, so then I will multiply 41.6 multiply 24.4 equals to, that should be 1015.04, which is right. Then we found this, the area of the A2, 1 by 2 base into height, and the base is 9 minus minus 32.6, so that is 41.6, and the height is 4 minus 18. Yes, here we made a mistake. This height, this is 18 and this is 28.4. So what's the difference between 18 and that's 10.4? That's right. Okay, so the Q value is 9 comma 18. Okay, so 28.6 minus 18, and that will be 10.6. So this point is actually 10, not 10.4. So what I did, 28.4. Okay, ठीक है. 10 point. It is 10.6. Okay, this is the small mistake here. This is 10.6. So when you multiply, so 1 divided by 2 multiply 41.6 multiply 10.6, and that will give you 220.48. Okay, so this is 220.48. So this number is 220.4 and 8. Okay, so I wrote here 10.4 by mistake. So so this number is going to be 220.48. Okay, so let's check the calculation again. I hope this now the answer is good. So 1015.04 and minus 220.48 minus 35 minus 446.52. Okay, so what will be the answer? The answer is 313. Still we have 317 is answer. So let's check this further. Okay, so this is done. So 1 by 2. So I'm talking about A3. In A3, this is 4, this is 9. So the gap will be 5. Okay. This is 4, this is 18. So that will be 14. So 1 divided by 2 multiply 5 multiply 14. That's 35. That's correct. Now we talk about this A4. In A4, we have this thing. Okay, so it will be basically 4 plus 32.6, which will be 36.6. Okay, that's correct. And from 4 to 28.4. So 28.4 minus 4, and that will be 24.4. Okay, so my calculation will be 1 by 2 multiply 36.6 multiply 24.4 equals to, and this is 446.52. Okay, so what we will do. Okay, there can be another thing. 28.4 minus 4, that is 20 point, sorry, 28.4 minus 4, and that is 24.24. Okay, that is correct. Okay, so I did not found any mistake other than this one. So let me recheck it. 1 divided by 2 multiply 41.6 multiply 10.6, and that will be 220.48. Okay, that's right. So 1015.4.04 and minus 220.48 minus 35 minus 446.52. Okay, so the answer is 313.04, but in the book the answer is 317.2 units. So I have checked this 2 times. I am not able to find the mistake. I found a mistake here, but I am not able to find any other mistake. So on the basis of which I can say the reading is, my reading is now coming 313.04, and the book says that the answer should be 317. So there is some mistake, and 32.6. So area of the triangle PQR, they say 317.2. I say 313.04. There is a small mistake. I'm looking for the mistake, that where the mistake happened. Okay. So we can draw it again, and we can check if we made a mistake here. So let me check that point P. The point P is supposed to be 4,4. The point Q is supposed to be 9,18. The point R is supposed to be minus 32.6 and 28.4. Okay. So basically what will happen, it will be a rectangle like this, and then we have something like this, okay. Here this is the P point, which is 4,4. This will be 32.6 minus comma 4. This point will be 9,4. This point is Q, which is 9,18, and this point will be 9,28.4. Okay, and this point here is the R point, which is minus 32.6, comma 28.4. 28.4. Okay. So these are the coordinates. Okay. So I'm just rechecking it. I just want to make sure that we have made no mistake. Okay. So for example, if you want to find out this length will be 9 plus 32.6. So this is supposed to be 41.6. So this length is 41.6. Okay. So what will be this length? This length will be 28.4 minus 18. So this thing will be 10.4. So what will be this thing? This will be 18 minus 4, and this will be 14. So this thing is 14. What will be this length? That will be 5. 9 minus 4, and this will be 4 minus 32. So 4 plus 32.6, and that will be 36.6. So this is supposed to be 36.6. So what will be this? It's 4 and 28.4. So 28.4 minus 4, and that will be sorry, 24.4. Okay, 24.4. Okay. Now I will try to find out. I'm rechecking this thing. 41.6 multiply 24.4. So that will be 101. So this one is correct. Okay. Then we have to find the area of this triangle A2. So it will be 1 divided by 2 multiply 41.6 multiply 10.4 equals to, and that will be 216.32. Oh, found the mistake. This will be 216.32. Okay, 216.32. Okay, then so this is going to be 216.32. Okay. Then I will find the area of this. So it will be 35. No issue with it. 1 divided by 2 multiply 36.6 multiply 24.4, and it will be equals to 446.52. Now this is correct. So 1015.04 minus 216.32 minus 35 minus 446.52 equals to, and this is 317. Now it is correct. 317.2, and this is the right answer, sir. So you see, we made a small mistake while using a calculator. So then we have to go after and look for what the mistake we made. So you see, this is how you do question number 11. There were 3 parts in it. We already have done 2 parts. And this is the third part where we know the point of the P, Q, and R, and we wanted to find out the area of this triangle PQR. So this is the method by which I found the area of this triangle. And you see, when I was finding the area 2, there something went wrong with I entered something wrong on the calculator, and due to that, what happened? A mistake was created. But you see, to make a mistake is not a problem. It's possible that when you are working in the extreme conditions, and it's hot, it's humid, and so sometimes you make mistakes in the calculation. So that's no problem. But when you make mistake, you go after, check your calculations, you make sure you do it again and again. You check everything that where I made a mistake. So once, that's the good thing about the mistake. Don't be afraid of making a mistake, okay? So this is how you do question number 11. And then we have, he says, question number 12. And it says, let me do the question number 12. And okay, so we are going to tap question number 12. So exercise 7. We are working on the exercise 7C, and it's question number 12. Okay. It says a curve has an equation. So we have a curve. Its equation is y is equals to 3x plus 12 divided by x. 3x plus 12 and passes through the point A, which is 2 comma 12, and the B, which is 6 comma 20. So here we have a point A, which is 2 comma 12, and point B, which is 6 comma 20, and the curve passes through these points. At each of the points C and D on the curve, the tangent is parallel to AB. Okay, the tangent is parallel to the point A, the line AB. So we have tangents. Find the coordinates of point C and D. Give your answer in the exact. So there are some points. One point is C, the other point is D. The tangents here, the tangents are parallel to AB. Oh, interesting. Okay. So we have to find the coordinates of the point C and D, give your answer in the exact form, find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the CD. Okay, that's the second part. So we have to find out the coordinates of the point C and D. The tangents at the C and the tangent at the D, they both are parallel to the line AB. Okay. So first of all, let me find out the gradient of AB. The method is very simple, y2 minus y1 divided by the x2 minus x1. So it will be 20 minus 12 divided by 6 minus 2. So it will be 8 divided by 4, and that is 2. So the gradient of the AB is 2. Okay. Then I will take that curve. Okay. And the curve is y equals to 3x plus 12 divided by x. And I will derivate it, dy by the dx. That is 3 plus. So I will first of all, let me write it like this. So 12 into minus 1. So x power will become minus 2. So the dy by the dx will become 3 minus 12 divided by x square. Okay. So you see, I derivated the equation of that curve. Now, he says that the gradient of the tangents is equal to the gradient of the AB. The gradient of the AB. So I will make this expression dy by dx equals to 2. Okay, because those tangents, their gradient is equals to the gradient of the AB. That's right. So I will make this 3 minus 12 by the x square equals to 2. Okay. So what will happen? So take this to the other side. 3 minus 2 is equals to 12 divided by the x square. So what will happen here? So your this will be 1 equals to 12 divided by the x square. So x square will be equal to, is this correct? Yes. So the x square will be equals to 12. So the x will be equals to, you take the under root, so this will be 3 into 4. So this is 2 under root 3, and with it we have plus minus. Okay. So what we will do, the values of the x, yeah, that's right. Okay, now I will find out the value of the y. So put this x values into this original equation. Okay, so first of all, I will put the positive value. So y will be equals to 3 into the 2 under root 3. Then you have plus 12 divided by 2 under root 3. Okay. So let me find the answer. So, okay. So y will be equals to, this is 6 under root 3 plus 12 divided by 2 under root 3. So y will be equals to, take the LCM. When this will multiply here, so 3 2 that's 12, and under root 3 is 3, plus this is 1, 12. So y will be equals to 36 plus 12 divided by 2 under root 3. So y will be equals to, this is 48 divided by 2 under root 3. So y will be equals to 24 divided by the under root 3. So the coordinates of that point, you can rationalize it. Let me see, he has rationalized it. Okay. So to rationalize, what I will do, I will multiply it with the under root 3 divided with the under root 3. So this will become 24 under root 3 divided by 3. So that is 8 under root 3. So the C point will become 2 comma under root 3 comma 8 under root 3. Okay. Now the same procedure I will do with the negative value. Okay. So when this thing is negative, so the y will be 3 into minus 2 under root 3 plus 12 divided by minus 2 under root 3. So this will become minus 6 under root 3 and minus 12 by 2 under root 3. So we will take the LCM. So it will be 2 under root 3. So 2 to 6, 12 minus 12. Under root 3 is 3 minus 12. So this will be minus 36 minus 12 divided by 2 under root 3. So y will be equals to minus 48 divided by 2 under root 3. So the y will be minus 24 divided by under root 3. I will rationalize it. Okay, so this will become minus 24 under root 3 divided by 3. So y will be equal to minus 8 under root 3. So this point is minus 2 under root 3 comma minus 8 under root 3. Let me check. So this is your point. This point is your D point. So this is your D point, this is your C. So we found the coordinates of the C point and the D point. Let me check from the book. Is the C and D coordinate? It's 2 under root 3 comma 8 under root 3, and the other point is minus 2 under root 3 comma minus 8 under root 3. So our answers are right. Okay. So their A part was find the coordinates of the point C and D. Give your answer in the exact form. So we have done that. And then their question is find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the CD. So that's the second part of this question. They want me to find out the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the CD. Okay, we have the coordinates of C, we have the coordinates of the D. We can find the midpoint of the CD, we can find the gradient of the CD, and then we can find the gradient of the perpendicular by using that midpoint. And that perpendicular's gradient, we can find the equation of the perpendicular bisector. That's the B part of this question number 12 of the exercise 7C. So I'm going to erase this portion. This portion I will erase, then I will find the midpoint, I will find the gradient, and then we will try to find out the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the CD. So this is question number 12, and we are going to work on its B part. Okay. Now, we know that the point C, its coordinates are 2 under root 3 comma 8 under root 3. The point D, its coordinates are -2 under root 3, comma -8, sorry, under root 3. Okay. So if you want to find out the, sorry, if you want to find out the midpoint is simple. Let me find out the midpoint, because so its coordinates will be x2 plus x1 minus 2 under root 3 plus 2 under root 3 divided by 2, comma y2 plus y1. So this is 0 and this is also 0. So the midpoint is 0, comma 0. Okay. Then I need to find out the gradient. The gradient of your, the gradient of the CD. I want to find out the gradient of the CD. So the M of CD will be equals to y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So it will be minus 16 under root 3 divided by minus 4 under root 3, and root 3 and minus cancel 4. So the gradient is 4. The gradient of the perpendicular to the CD will be 1 by 4 and the sign change. Okay. Now I can use the midpoint and the gradient, and I can find the equation of the perpendicular bisector. So that will be y minus y1 equals to m bracket x minus x1. So y, the midpoint, y is 0. This is minus 1 by 4 into x minus 0. Okay. So it will be y equals to minus 1 by 4 into the x. So 4y is equal to minus x. 4y plus x is equal to 0. So this is the equation. And at the back of your book, it says x plus 4y will be equal to 0. So our answer is also right. And this is how you will do the question number 12 of the exercise 7C. And it's B part. So there are a lot of calculation is involved in this question. In this exercise, total there are 16 questions, and in our episode 3, today we have done question number 10, 11, and 12. And I hope that you understand this. So basic aim of making this video is to provide help for those students who are in AS and taking pure maths 1, and they are weak in mathematics. So they need help of this kind. The brilliant students, I don't think that they need this kind of help. So we hope that these videos will reach those who need them. So thank you very much. That's it for today. So have a good day. God bless you. And in Pakistan, we have good night. So have a good night. Bye-bye.